Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are looking at 2025 Math Paper 2 GCE and we're answering question 8 under trigonometry. The question regarding is in the form of a quadrature which is PQRS, and we are given that PQ is 5 meter, QR 8 meter, RAC 7 meter, PAC 6 meter. Given that angle PQR is equals to 140, angle PQR is equals to 140 degrees. So this letter here represents the angle at Q. Okay, and the angle PRS is equals to 18 degree, and we have to calculate the length of Roman numeral 1. We have to calculate the length of PR. Roman numeral 2, the area of triangle PRS. Roman numeral 3, the shortest distance from S to PR. Okay, so we have to find the length of PR. So you cannot find the area of PRS without finding this length. Find the shortest distance from S to PR without finding this length here. So that means you have to find the length of PR before going to find the area of PRS and distance. So that means PR is important for you to find this for you to find the remaining question here. Okay, so for solution, what I'm going to do, we are going to cut off this down triangle here. For us to make this lesson interesting, make sure you watch this video from start to finish without leaving anything this coming exam. Okay, so for solution 1, we have to find length of PR. So by cutting off this down triangle here, this type of okay, don't mind my drawing. I'm just this is just a sketch which it will show you on how we can find the length of PR. So here we have 8 meter, here we have 5 meter, at Q we have angle 140 degree, here we have P. We have to find the length of PR, in which, so first of all, before going into further, you must denote this side capital letter Q. The opposite of capital letter Q, you have small letter. The opposite of small letter capital letter P, you are going to have small letter P here. The opposite of capital letter R, you are going to have small letter R here. So now there are 2 rules which you should follow for you to find the length of this triangle here. There are 2 rules in trigonometry which we should follow, which is 1, sine, cosine law. So in this case, we are going to use cosine law because we have been given 2 sides and then 1 on one side. In a situation whereby you have been given one side which is 8 meter here and 2 angles here. Let's take for instance here there is 10 degree and here 140 degree. So that means you can use, in this case we have 5v. So that means we use cosine law. So by using cosine law, because we are looking for the T to R, so we are going to start with the letter, small letter Q. So this is Roman numeral 1, P, R. So small letter Q squared, it is equals to R squared plus minus 2 multiplied by R multiplied by P, then cos theta. So now if you reach here, this is where now you subtract R, where there is R squared, the opposite of capital letter R, we have 5 here. So in which we have 5 squared, then plus 8 squared, then minus 2 multiplied by 5, multiplied by 8 cos, while this theta we have degree, okay, in which it is equals to 5 squared it is 25, then plus 8 squared it is 64, then minus 2 times 5 which is 10 times 8 which is 80, 140 degree, okay. Then q squared equals to 25 plus 64, you're going to have as 89 minus 80 cos 1. So whenever you are dealing with when you reach this stage, you group this thing, you leave the sign outside, then you multiply. Here there's 80, there is 80, you multiply 80 times cos 140, 80 multiplied by cos 140, which is 61.28. So we have q 89 minus open bracket minus 28, then close bracket, then q squared equals to 9 negative times negative, which is positive, so it will be positive 61.28. okay, then here when you add equals to 89 plus 61.28, you're going to have 150.28. Then q squared equals to 150.28. Then you provide the square root both sides, in which this square root and this square goes, in which you remain with the q equals to the square of 150.28. It is 12. So in this case we have only a whole number instead of decimal, so that means it will be just q, it will be 12. Okay, so now let's move on to Roman numeral 2 to find the area of triangle PRS. Area of triangle P. Okay, so when you're finding the area of triangle PRS, that means here this R represents the angle and this two remaining letters represent the sides. So in which area it will be equals to. So here, since here there is 12, since here there is 12, so for us to find the area of triangle PRS, so that means we're going to use this angle 18 here and two sides, which is P and S. Okay, in which it will be half PS sin R. Okay, then area it will be equals to half, where this P we have 7, where this P here from this upper triangle here, where this P we have 7 meter here. Here the small letter P also we have 7 meter. Then where this S, this is the length which we have found, which is 12. So it is 12 here, close bracket, then sin 18 degree. Okay, 1, 2 here, 6. And now 7 times 6 is 42. It is 42. 18 degree. Okay. 42 times 5, 18 degree. In which it will be equals to 12.9 meter squared, in which same as when you round off it will be 30 meter squared. Because we are only using single digit instead of decimal, so our area to be 13 meter squared. Okay. So now let's find the shortest distance from Roman numeral 3. Shortest distance from S to PR. So this statement is clear and straight. So this means we are finding the shortest distance from S to PR. So the shortest distance from S to PR, it is this distance which they are asking for. Okay, this is the shortest distance here. And the formula for half BH, which is height, base times the height. Then 2 times A, you're going to have 2A equals to B, the height. Then you divide throughout by B, in which height will be equals to 2 times our area. We found that it is 13 here. Okay, 13 over our base it is 12. Okay, it will be equals to before multiplying you can say here 2 into 2 1 2, so it will be 1 times 13, which is 13 over, okay, in which it will be equals to 13 divided by 6, it is 2.0. This means our height it is 2. So our height here it is 2 meter. Okay, this is where we end. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the new update. See you next time.